What's up, everybody? I'm Brian from I1 Tesla and I1 Customs, and don't mind the blue finger. I cut my finger while I was wrapping this truck, and alcohol hurts when you have a cut, so it's just covered up a little bit. I'll just hold the camera with that hand and then you can't see the blue finger. Anyway, I've got another CyberTruck in here, and this one's really cool. I've already done most of the other side here, and this is one of the first paying customers of I1 Customs. This building here, I got the lights off except for these right here. This building is my new wrap shop, I1 Customs. I'm in Mooresville, North Carolina, and I'll have the address down below and all the information to my website and everything. You can contact me if you're interested in a wrap for a Cybertruck or anything. But you know, I've done mostly Teslas, almost all Teslas, and I know these things like the back of my blue finger. Let me show you, walk around this side. Satin white is this Cybertruck. This is a CyberBeast, but it's a special CyberBeast. I'm nicknaming this CyberHorse, and you'll see why right over here. They have horses not far from here in Mooresville, and you can actually get lessons from them. So their logo is actually really cool. I love their logo. So we just cut that out of black vinyl and stuck it over top of the satin black, and that's gloss black, so that's going to pop. And he didn't want a whole lot on this because it's all going to be satin white, except for the foundation logo is going to go here as I wrap the front piece here. But when you come around to the back, well, because they do weddings and stuff there too, so they didn't want it really gaudy. People taking pictures in front of this. They don't want a ton of, they don't want Lavelle Equestrian all plastered all over the place, but they have their logo here along with a QR code that you can scan and get their information. And of course, this is a CyberBeast, so we took their logo. Instead of the beasts there, the dogs, I made CyberHorses out of their logo, which is kind of cool. So it's all going to be satin white, ceramic coating. We're going to tint the windows. I got my guy coming here to tint the windows. And yes, I do have a guy. I do have a guy here that can tint your windows. We can do all sorts of stuff. We can do ceramic coating. We can do PPF. We can do tint your windows. We can. I'm going to try to find a PDR guy, paintless dent repair, and do the whole works here. Plus install parts. I've got this 2,000 square foot warehouse. Yes, it's dark back there because I don't have all the lights on because, you know, look at this. Those lights are horrendous for energy. That's why I bought these lights. These are going to go actually up here, hanging 9 feet off the ceiling, and I'm going to get this epoxy floor done. It's going to be nice and bright in here. After this truck here, I'm going to paint the walls a gloss white. So it's just going to all this light is just going to reflect, and it's going to make it so nice in here, all the way down. Well, I'm not going to put these lights all the way down. The landlord, I think, is going to replace these old lights with some LEDs back here, but I think I want to put a LED array here to really make these things look nice when they take delivery of their car. Of course, I have mine in here right now, but I have so much room in here to pull a car in here to shoot a video, but also install parts on the vehicle. But right now, it's all about this Cybertruck, the CyberBeast, and I can actually wrap 2 cars in here at once. And eventually we will be doing that, or I will be doing that, and eventually I will have employees, and eventually we will be having a grand opening party. I'll let you know about that. You're all invited, by the way. So yeah, I've got a lot to do. I got a lot to do on this truck. I got a lot to do in this building and get this ready for all the fun stuff we're gonna have here. This thing is all finished. It looks great. I love the satin white on the Cybertruck. I think it looks really good. 80% on the windshield, 35% on the sides here. So this is legal, 35% is legal. This is 20% on the factory tint. That's legal, of course, but it just kind of ties everything in, because if you step back here, the top half is actually the logo of the Cybertruck. On the back here is the horses. I can't get pictures of it for you outside because it is pouring down rain. The hurricane that looped around is now a tropical storm, and it's stalling over Charlotte area here in Mooresville. So it's pouring down rain right now. But good thing he's got the ceramic coating on there, because it's just going to wash it on the way home for him.
That's cool. I wasn't sure how I felt about it.
Oh my lordy.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Beautiful color.
That's awesome.
Right.
Oh, and
There's some lights
I
on.
see you put them a little closer together. It
Yes.
makes it look more like.
It looks more like the CyberBeast
Yeah.
logo itself, and it actually fits right inside there. And once you see it, and it's gonna looks really good.
Wow.
That is cool. Man, it feels so much better than that stainless.
Yes. Well, that's the ceramic coating. It's really slick, and this rain's just gonna run right off of it. It looks really good. I love the
think
white.
It's gorgeous. You like it?
I like the white. There's another guy I'm wrapping. He was between this and a light gray, and he came here last night, and he was going back and forth like, yeah, I don't know yet exactly what he's picking. He might go gray. I think he's leaning like 60% towards gray, but he liked this a lot.
I drive this the other day.
Yeah.
Someone at the farm, their girl comes and rides, and she and they since went and test drove a Model Y. Model Y, is it? What's that one out there?
Model Y.
Yeah.
The small SUV.
It was funny because, and he's a car guy.
Yeah. So have you launched this yet? Have you put it in beast mode and launched it?
I did, but not like
Not fully?
launch.
Okay.
I mean, I did,
Yeah.
and it was. I mean, you got to be ready for it.
Oh yeah, you do. 2.6 seconds is for 7,000 pounds to be able to do that.
Yeah, I mean, when we were kids and we thought, oh yeah, the big muscle car, and your buddies that had them, the tires squeal all the time. Right. But this is the thing that's amazing. At 7,000 pounds, those tires never leave.
Thank you.
Let's see them.
Picking it up on a rainy day, but it's all right. It looks so good in white. That's crazy how good that looks.